Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Game Center or Game Mode in any iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to enable Game Center or Game Mode in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So there's a simple step to enable your Game Center, but to do that, very first I recommend you to update the software. So go for settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you're up to date. And after doing that, you just have to go back from here, scroll down your quick center, and you'll get an option of focus. Tap on that, and here you'll find the gaming or game option. Or if you don't find it, tap on the new add option or the new focus option here, and select gaming option from here. Now select customize focus, and you just have to select choose apps, and then add your apps from here or your games which you have, then tap on done. Or you can also choose people if you want to, and once you have done, your gaming mode will be successfully enabled on your iPhone. So now to enable the gaming mode, you just have to open the game which you have selected. So for example, I have selected this one, so simply tap on it, and here you can see that your gaming mode has been enabled. So in this way, you can easily enable gaming mode in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.